Peekaboo.
It's the crack of December 2nd, and we're already with the presents.
You're getting it early.
Yeah. What could it be? I've not requested anything that comes in a box this size.
I think you'll be pleasantly surprised.
Why does it have to be a cannon? Is this one of those things that you use to shoot flies off the wall?
You have no idea what it is.
The bug alert? Well, it says salt cannon on the box. How do I not have an idea?
Oh.
Are you even listening to me? I don't know that you are. Battery caps, some sort. Nothing else. Oh, there are no batteries in here. Very cool, baby.
These are little tabs that you can change the top.
I guess if you say
of this
is going to be pepper, so it's black, or it's red for salt, or you have a wolf range and you want a red button to match your appliances, or black. Yeah, so you clearly have to use the Allen wrench to remove that. Very cool, babe. And it looks like it holds more than 1 teaspoon that the old shaker held, or the grinder. Very nice.
Let's give it a test.
It's got the reservoir cup. Give it a test? Well, I don't have any salt. I have to go get salt.